Welcome to the introduction section on unlocking the power of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers an incredible opportunity to earn passive income online. By partnering with businesses and promoting their products, you can generate revenue while focusing on your passions. It's a flexible and scalable business model, allowing you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Imagine earning commissions while you sleep, all from promoting products you believe in. Affiliate marketing makes this dream a reality. It provides a low-barrier entry point for aspiring entrepreneurs and offers seasoned marketers a lucrative avenue to diversify income streams. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or course creator, affiliate marketing can seamlessly integrate into your existing online presence. By recommending valuable products that resonate with your audience, you can monetize your platform and build deeper connections with your followers. Ready to embark on your affiliate marketing journey? This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to succeed in this exciting and potentially lucrative field. Let's dive in. In this section, we discuss setting your sights, the importance of goal setting. Before diving headfirst into affiliate marketing, it's crucial to establish clear and achievable goals. Goal setting provides direction and motivation, ensuring you stay focused on what you want to achieve. Start by defining your financial goals. Do you want to replace your full-time income or generate a side hustle? Be specific and set realistic targets. Break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This approach fosters a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated along the way. Consider your time commitment. How much time can you dedicate to affiliate marketing each week? Set realistic expectations that align with your schedule and other commitments. Remember, consistency is key. By establishing clear goals and outlining your desired outcomes, you'll be better equipped to track your progress, measure success, and make informed decisions throughout your affiliate marketing journey. Now let's focus on choosing your arsenal, selecting profitable products. Selecting the right products to promote is paramount to your affiliate marketing success. It's essential to choose products that align with your niche, resonate with your audience, and offer competitive commissions. Start by considering your target audience. What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Choose products that provide value and solve problems for your specific audience. Promoting products you genuinely believe in will enhance your credibility and build trust with your followers. Research affiliate programs carefully. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates, reliable tracking, and strong support for affiliates. Investigate the reputation of the company and the quality of their products or services. Consider product relevance and longevity. Ideally, choose products with lasting appeal that will continue to generate commissions over time. Evaluate the competition and identify opportunities to differentiate your offerings. Section 4. Waging the campaign effective promotion strategies. Once you've chosen your products, it's time to develop effective promotion strategies. This involves reaching your target audience, building trust, and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Leverage the power of social media. Share valuable content related to your niche and seamlessly integrate your affiliate links. Engage with your followers, answer questions, and foster a sense of community. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list and nurture relationships with your subscribers by providing valuable content and exclusive offers. Segment your list to personalize messages and increase conversion rates. Explore paid advertising options. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising allow you to target specific demographics and interests, maximizing your reach and driving targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Section 5. Mastering the craft content marketing for affiliate success. Content marketing plays a crucial role in successful affiliate marketing. By creating high-quality, informative content, you can attract your target audience, establish yourself as an authority in your niche, and subtly promote affiliate products. Focus on creating content that provides value to your audience. Address their pain points, answer their questions, and offer solutions. Blog posts, articles, videos, and infographics are all effective formats for affiliate content marketing. Optimize your content for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your titles, headings, and throughout your content. This will help your content rank higher in search results increasing visibility and driving organic traffic to your affiliate links. Promote your content across multiple channels. Share your blog posts on social media, link to your videos in your email newsletters, and repurpose your content into different formats. The wider you spread your net, the more potential customers you'll reach. Section 6. Conclusion. Your journey to affiliate marketing mastery. Affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income online by promoting products you believe in. By following the strategies outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to building a successful and profitable affiliate marketing business. Remember to set clear goals, choose profitable products, and develop effective promotion strategies. Embrace content marketing. Build relationships with your audience and never stop learning and adapting to the ever-evolving world of online marketing. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to provide value to your audience, build trust, and consistently deliver high-quality content. By focusing on these core principles, you'll be well positioned to achieve your affiliate marketing goals. Now go out there and start building your online empire.